How to start design project in Illustrator. Let me show you the Adobe Illustrator's workspace. The menu bar at the very top shows the File, Edit and other menus that give you access to a variety of commands, adjustments and settings. The Tool panel on the left contains tools for creating and editing artwork. Similar tools are grouped together. You can access them by clicking and holding a tool in the Tool panel. Panels on the right include Properties, Layers, and other tabs that contain a variety of controls for working with artwork. You will find the full list of panels under the Window menu, and the Document window, right in the middle, displays the file you are currently working on.